Mark! Huh, why is the propeller slowing down so fast? And, is that black smoke coming from the engine?
Whoa, it's okay, everyone. Deep breaths. Just sit back. Pilot, what's going on up there?
We've had a total mechanical failure in engine 1. I'm losing altitude. Mark, I need you to help me right now. We're going down.
Oh no, Mark! He said we're going down.
Kids, listen to me. Heads down. Brace yourselves.
Mom, my ears are popping so loud. Is the plane going to disintegrate in the air?
What does disintegrate mean? A, to fly faster. B, to break into small parts. Or C, to land safely.
I'm here. I'm ready. What do I do?
Mark, reach over, quick. Pull that red lever to off. We have to stop the fuel flow or we'll catch fire on impact.
Got it. Whew, it's off. Everyone, stay in your seats. Tighten those belts as much as you can.
I don't like the mountains anymore. They're way too close.
Focus on me, Jake. Just look at Mom. We are going to land on that flat snow. It's going to be okay, I promise.
Brace, brace, here it comes.
Is everyone okay? Lisa, kids, please talk to me.
We're okay. We're okay. But the pilot, Mark, look, he's not moving.
He's awake, but oh boy, his leg is stuck under the dashboard. He's hurting a lot.
Mark, listen to me. I can't get out. You have to be the leader now. For your family, you have to take the bull by the horns.
Dad has to take the bull by the horns? Oh, that idiom means to deal with a difficult situation directly and bravely.
I'm ready. Tell me what to do. How do we survive this?
First, check the survival kit in the tail. We need to stay warm. The temperature is dropping fast. This altitude is dangerous.
What is altitude? A, the speed of a plane. B, the height above sea level. Or C, cold weather. Mark, it's freezing. The snow is up to my knees. Look at those dark clouds coming in.
Lisa, the pilot says stay inside. Use the plane's fuselage as a tent. It's the only shelter we have.
What is a fuselage? A, the engine. B, the main body of an aircraft. Or C, a pilot's hat. Okay, teamwork time. Kids, help me pull the seat covers off. We need to block the wind coming through the door.
Mom, look! I found some chocolate and 3 bottles of water in the emergency bag.
Good job, June. We have to conserve that. We don't know when help is coming.
What does conserve mean? A, to waste. B, to protect or use sparingly. Or C, to eat quickly.
Mark, the radio. Reach under the dashboard. There's a handheld transmitter. I need to call for help.
I've got it. Here, pilot. I'll hold it right up to your mouth so you can speak into it.
Mayday! 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 This is flight N429. We have crashed 20 miles north of the ridge. Does anyone copy? Over.
Pilot, why isn't anyone answering? Is the radio broken?
No, Mark. It's these giant mountains. They are completely blocking our signal. We have to wait.
Dad, the little lights on the radio are blinking. Is it breaking?
It's just the battery, buddy. We have to weather the storm. We just need to stay safe inside until morning.
Dad said weather the storm. That means to survive a difficult period or situation.
Mark, my leg! There's a tourniquet in the simple first aid box. You need to put it on my leg tight.
What is a tourniquet? A tool to stop bleeding. B, a type of compass. Or C, a snack.
I've got the box. Lisa, I need your help. Hold the flashlight steady so I can help the pilot.
I'm right here, Mark. Kids, stay huddled under the thick blankets. Don't let the cold air in.
It's getting so dark outside. I can't even see the green trees anymore.
I can hear the wind whistling through the cracks. It sounds like a scary ghost.
It's just the wind, honey. The plane is very strong. We are safe inside the fuselage together.
Whew. There, the bandage is on tight. Pilot, are you feeling any better?
A little. You're doing a great job, Mark. Now we must prepare for the cold night.
What's the most important thing now? Water or heat?
Heat. If we get too cold, our bodies will stop working. Keep your family very close together.
I'm rubbing the kids' hands to keep their blood moving. Jake, wiggle your toes.
I'm wiggling them, Mom, but they feel like little ice cubes.
I remember how excited I was this morning. I woke up so early just to see the big mountain peaks.
You did. You were the very first one dressed. We spent months planning this family tour.
Yeah, we wanted to see the snow from the sky because we never see snow at home.
And I wanted to see a mountain goat. I haven't seen any goats yet, only boring snow.
Haha! Well, we certainly got a closer look at the snow than we ever expected, didn't we?
We really did. But the most important thing is we are all together right now.
I just listened to the pilot, June. In a scary emergency, you have to listen to the experts.
Mom, we should probably eat a little bit now so we have energy to stay warm.
Good idea, sweetie. Let's share these granola bars. We need to save some for tomorrow morning, though.
Here, pilot, please take some of this chocolate and a small sip of water. You need your strength.
Thank you, Mark. That helps a lot. Everyone, we should close our eyes and try to get some rest now.
Okay, everyone huddle up tight like a penguin family. Use the heavy coats as one big blanket. Let's try to sleep.
I'm still hungry, but I'm only eating half my cracker to conserve it, right, Dad?
That's exactly right, Jake. You're a real survivalist. We have to save the rest for tomorrow.
2 full bottles of water and 1 half-empty one. We should sip it very slowly.
It's sunrise! Mark, listen! Do you hear that? The rescue planes are searching!
I don't hear anything but the wind. Wait, is that a low humming sound?
It sounds like a loud motor. Mark, is it a search plane?
It's too cloudy for an airplane. It must be a helicopter with heat cameras.
Mark, check the emergency pouch. There should be a flare gun inside. You need to use it now.
I've got it. I'm going outside. Lisa, keep the door closed as much as possible to keep the warm air in. I'm standing on the wing. I can see a flashing light in the distance. I'm pulling the pin.
The flare light. It's so bright and red. They have to see that.
Look! The big light in the sky is moving right toward us!
They see us! Mom, they're turning! The giant bird is coming to save us!
They're hovering. They found us. Everyone, get ready. We're going home.
Everyone stay calm. We're the mountain rescue team. Is everyone okay?
We're all safe, but the pilot has a bad leg injury. We've applied a tourniquet to help him.
Good work. You did exactly the right thing. Let's get him loaded up first. We're gonna get you all to a warm, safe place and then get you back home.
Thank you so much. We made it through the long, scary night. Mark, you were incredible. We finally landed on our feet.
Mom says we landed on our feet. That idiom means to be in a good or successful situation after a very difficult time.
You did very well, Mark. You saved my life and your family's lives tonight.
We did it all together. Lisa and the kids were the bravest of all.
All right, class. Class is in session. Let's see how you guys did on today's survival vocabulary. Disintegrate. B. To break into small parts or pieces. Altitude. B. The height of something above sea level. Fuselage. B. The main body of an aircraft. Conserve. B. To protect something or use it sparingly. Tourniquet. A device used to stop heavy bleeding.
And don't forget our idioms. Take the bull by the horns, meaning to deal with a big problem directly. Weather the storm, meaning to survive a very difficult time. And landed on our feet, meaning to succeed despite a dangerous start.
Now it's time to practice your English. Tell us in the comments, what would you bring if you were stuck on a cold mountain? Stay safe out there, everyone. Goodbye and see you in the next family adventure.